Hi guys, this is Tasnim. Welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. I'm Tasnim Ahmed. I post lifestyle, fashion and makeup contents here. So for today's makeup look, I created something very versatile for the holidays. You can wear it on 16 December, which is Bangladesh's Independence Day, for Christmas or even New Year's party. And I know I wasn't active on YouTube for quite some time, but here I am again. So yeah, if you like the video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and comment below for which holiday you are most excited about. And now let's get started. Okay, so I'm starting off with the Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Eraser Primer. This is silicone base. This primer will fill in my pores and give me a very smooth canvas to work on, like basically make my base super smooth. Okay, so I'm gonna use a creamy red lipstick to color correct under my eyes where I have darkness, and also I'm gonna color correct around my mouth. You can also use a peach corrector, and you can even use a green corrector to, hide if you have any redness around your face. Now taking the Wet n Wild Photofocus foundation in the shade Desert Beige, I'm gonna dot it around my face first and then blend it out using a beauty blender. This foundation gives you a matte finish, more like a satin finish to be honest. I'm just going around my mouth and under my eyes again a bit more for more coverage, since I'm not going to be using any concealer for today's look. Make sure you are bouncing the beauty blender and not dragging it across your face. I'm applying the lipstick beforehand because I didn't want to look like a dead corpse throughout the video. I used the shade Lovebug from Colourpop as my lipstick. For bronzer, I used the Beauty glazed bronzer. I don't exactly remember the shade, but I will mention it in the description box. I applied it to my cheekbone, to my jawline, to the temples of my forehead, to my eyes, and also to my nose as well. This will provide me some definition that the foundation took away. For blush, I am using the Corally blush from the e.l.f. blush palette on the apples of my cheeks. For highlighter, I'm using this golden highlighter from Makeup Geek that I applied it to my cheekbones, to my brow bone, and also to my nose. This is just going to give you that extra sparkle you need for the holidays. Tapping off the excess using a beauty blender. Now coming to the fun part, eyeshadow. I'm going to use the jamescharles palette. From there, I'm taking this brown cool tone shade as my transition shade, applying it to my crease using a blending brush. Now taking this burnt orange shade using a smudging brush, I am going to pack it in my crease. Now don't blend it right away, just pack it at first for the maximum pigmentation, and then blend it using the same blending brush used for the transition shade. Taking the red shade using the same smudging brush, I am going to be applying it to the outer corners of my eyes, as you guys can see. Blend the red color now using the same blending brush used for your transition shade. Coming to my lid color, I'm going to use this pink shimmery shade that I picked using my index finger. I'm just gonna place it on my lid, then blend it using my index finger. Your fingers will give you the maximum pigmentation. Taking this burgundy shimmery shade, I am going to be applying it to the center part of my eyelid. This is going to merge both of the shimmery and the red shade together. Blending the harsh edges using a smaller blending brush from e.l.f., smudging my lower lash line using a red shade, and highlighting my inner corner using a white shimmery shade. Cleaning off the edges using some concealer and a flat brush, and then blending that concealer using a blending brush. Finally, take a big clean blending brush and blend all of it in using a blending brush as I mentioned, and apply a coat of mascara to your lashes. This mascara is by Coastel. This is their lengthening mascara. It's really good, and yeah, I'll mention all the products I use in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. And please subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye, take care, love you all so much.